Good morning, children. Children, please take out your English Creative book, page number 27. Now, today we will be reading letter U, A, and J, J. This is letter U, capital U, okay? And the sound of U is ah, ah. Now, let's read together. On, under, umbrella, underground, umbrella. Children, this is umbrella. This is on, and it is under the blackboard. Under, okay? So under umbrella on. And see, the cat is asking, why is teacher under the umbrella? Why is teacher under the umbrella? The teacher is under the umbrella because it is raining. Because it is raining. That's why she is holding the umbrella. Now, children, this is letter J. J. And the sound of J is ja. Ja. Ja, ja. Jelly. Ja, ja. Joker. Ja, ja. Chuck. Ja, ja. Jeans. Ja, ja. Jug. So, this is the Joker. He is holding a jelly in his hand and he is eating jelly. And in other hand, he is holding jug. So the cat is asking, what is the Joker eating? What is the Joker eating? The Joker is eating jelly. The Joker is eating jelly. Thank you.